Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to make these beaded boho scrunchies. They are pretty easy to make, only 2 rounds, and they are perfect for any gift. And let me show them a little bit closer. This is the finished scrunchie. Now let's begin with the materials and continue with the pattern itself. For this project I am using Happy Place by Hobby. You can use whatever yarn you have in your stash. The only make sure that it's a thinner yarn so you can place your beads through the yarn. 4.5mm crochet hook, and we will need beads. My beads are 10mm with 2mm opening. When you are using this kind of beads, you will need to press string them into your yarn, but you can also use pony beads, but they are bigger, and maybe they are more suitable to use for velvet yarn like this one here. Also, you will need an elastic hair band. We will work the scrunchie around this band. So let's start with the pattern. Now, before you start, take your beads and string them on your yarn. You will need around, if your band is smaller like this one here, you will need maybe around 25-30 beads for your scrunchie. Now, before we start, we will make a slip knot. Then take your band, put the loop on your hook, and take your band. We will make 50 single crochet, or 55, maybe 60, it depends on your band. We will need to make single crochet till we fill it. The first, just make single crochet around the band. Like this. Continue making single crochet till you fill your band. While working, you can reach the beads, then just push them and pull your yarn so you can work with it without the beads. Once you fill your band, slip stitch on top of the first single crochet to join. Now for round 2 we will make chain spaces, and we will make one chain space without beads and then one with beads like this one here. So chain 9, and then slip stitch into the next stitch, this one here. Now chain 4. In this chain space we will attach a bead. Pull your bead next to your hook. We have 4 chains here. Now push the bead and then make another chain 1 over the bead. This is the 5th one. 4 more, 3, 4, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. Now again we will make a one chain space without a bead, so chain 9, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. of the band. Now we will make one with bead again, chain 4, take the bead and push it towards your hook like this, and now yarn over and pull through the loop to make a chain 1 and close the bead to your chain. Now chain 4 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Now to finish your scrunchie, we will repeat making chain spaces like this, one with 9 chain space without a bead, then we will make one with a bead. Continue making it till you reach the starting stitch here. Once you finish going around your band, maybe you will have one stitch left, but you can see I have one with bead here, and now I have only one left, but my first here is beadless and the last one will be beadless too, but you can choose to add bead or not, it depends on you, it's not a problem. Let's make the last one together. Chain 9 and then slip stitch into the last stitch, then slip stitch into the first to join your round. And cut your yarn. Now cut your yarn. I have a few beads left. Once you cut your yarn, take your stitch off the hook and pull it to tighten your stitch. Then you can grab the starting piece of yarn here and tie with a knot to secure it. I did that a few times because I will not weave my ends in, I will just cut it shorter and your scrunchie is ready. And you can see it's pretty easy, simple, and most importantly it is pretty quick to make, and it will make a perfect gift for a loved one. So if you think this video tutorial was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. See you in the next video!